The crypto market has been going through a rough period. Prices are down, volatility is high, and simply holding assets hasn't delivered the expected returns for many investors. That's why some investors are now shifting their focus towards mining, an approach designed to generate steady daily returns regardless of short-term market movements. This is Azzaminer. One platform gaining attention in this space is Azzaminer. It offers Bitcoin mining as a service, no hardware, no technical setup, and no maintenance. The way this works is pretty straightforward. Users will purchase hashrate directly. Then the mining rewards will be generated daily for what you've purchased. And the typical returns range between 1.2% per day to 1.5% per day. And this really depends on your selected plan. Now, in terms of legitimacy, Azza is based in Colorado in the United States. It actually has an official LLC document available to see on their website. We can see it right here. Now, to double check further here for legitimacy, we can go to the business database search for Colorado. We can type in their company name. And as we can see here, they are an official registered company, which is fantastic. Now, in terms of their technology and operations, they have a major focus on efficient and eco-friendly mining operations. They use AI-optimized mining systems, and they've integrated with solar energy too. Essentially, their entire infrastructure is designed to reduce operational costs. As well as that, they aim to maintain stable mining performance throughout. Now, if we head to their official X account, we can see that they do have a gold tick, which basically means you're KYC'd, but on X, which I think is great. We can also see they have over 2,600 followers. And just the way that they manage their X account as well is incredibly professional. Overall, Azza has built an active community with many users sharing their experiences on Twitter. Influencers and crypto brands have discussed it as well as several YouTubers having created walkthrough videos. Now, to get an account here, it's super easy. All you got to do is press the sign up button with the link in the description. Next, you simply create your account like you would do on any site and complete that verification. From there, you'll have access to your personal dashboard that looks like this. You can view your mining status, earnings, account activity in real time. And if we go to the mine section, what we can do here is actually see that they have a really cool little interface and a mining calculator. Here we can check how much we invest and how much we get from that investment over time. We can do this in days, months, or even years. Now, if we set this to day, and let's say we were to invest $100, we can see we'll be earning $1.35 per day. But what about $2,000? Well, here we can see that yes, we would actually get $27 per day, which is basically like a free lunch or a free coffee. Now, naturally, the more you invest, the more you earn per day. But in order to do this, we would need to deposit. So going to the deposit section here, you can see it's very straightforward and intuitive. All we got to do is select the cryptocurrency that we want to deposit. We can choose BTC, Ethereum, USDT on Tron, or USDT on ERC20. As well as that, they also do USDC, Solana, and Tron. Once you've selected it, you're going to get one of these. This is a QR code, and we also have the deposit address that we can copy and paste into our wallet very easily. And as you can see here, you simply send the money to the address. Just make sure that you're on the right chain. Once you've deposited, wait for confirmation, and you will see your balance go up. From that point, return to the mining page, select your desired hash rate, and then press buy hash rate. Now, once this is done, you will see your brief activation period go through, and the mining will begin automatically. Daily rewards will be credited on the dashboard. Now, all of your earnings can be withdrawn at any time. There's no complex withdrawal procedures and no lock-in periods. All you got to do is select the currency you want to withdraw, select the withdrawal address where you're sending the money, and then, of course, select the amount in USD and press withdraw. Now, there's also this reinvest button as well, which basically allows you to take your earnings and reinvest them back in to compound what you're doing here. This will increase your total hash rate and potentially increase your daily reward size. Now, if you do have your own alpha groups or a network here, well, what you can do is actually get 10% commission on referrals. So anyone that purchases any hash rate here, you're going to get 10% of that in your account. So this really adds an additional bit of passive income here, particularly if you have a network. But this will be separate from mining rewards. Overall, the Azzaminer offers a simplified entry into Bitcoin mining. The setup only takes a few minutes, No hardware management is needed, no maintenance, and no electricity costs to manage. If you're interested in exploring Bitcoin mining without handling all the technical infrastructure, you can visit the platform in the description. You can review all of the available plans and see how it fits your strategy. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. Always do your own research. I will see you in the next one.